Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add a really funny effect to your video in Kdenlive. If you want to add nervous effect, you need to go to the project bin settings, and after that you need to drag and drop your video to the timeline. After that you need to select your video and you need to go to effects tab. Now on search field we need to type nervous, and here we need to drag and drop this effect to our video. How you see, it has been successfully added here, but unfortunately we can't make any modifications to this effect, so now I will change the position of this function to the start. And now if I will play this video, you can see that this video is being shaked, yeah? So it is the nervous effect. So for example, you have here original video, you can check the differences between these videos, yeah? So how you see, this effect is nervous effect. So if I helped you to add it to your video, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem, yeah?